welcome to Cards by Kate Fletcher. Today we have the new Papercraft Society box. This was delivered earlier today. This is, I believe, box 5. So this is the unboxing video for it. So let's just get straight into it. Now, the first thing I thought when I opened the white envelope thing it comes in was that this box looks really magical. It's blue, dark colours, and it's like the stars and the sparkle, and I don't know if you can see, but these bits here, they're slightly foiled, so it's really pretty and magical. And then you open the inside and we have a message which says, can you see that? Don't know if you can see. Let's try that. Time to make the magic happen, let's craft. Now this box is by someone called Ruth. I'm sure as we go on we will find out more, but I don't watch any pre-unboxings on the Craft Stash site. I much prefer to have the surprise, so I don't know who Ruth is and I don't know what's inside here, so let's see. So we also have the beautiful, again, stars. These boxes always carry the theme all the way through. So we have a pouch here, we have our tissue paper full of goodies, and we have a voucher for money off at Craft Stash. So this box is by someone called Ruth Mackie McCartan. I hope I've said that right. I'm not sure what her range is, but we will see. So let's put this aside for 1 minute and let's start with this pack here. Okay, so we open up the wallet and we have 3 sections. So let's start with this one first. So the first thing we have is, as you can see, you've got the stars, coffee in one hand, glue in the other. Now who can relate to that? Because I most certainly can. I normally have a tea or coffee on the go. To be fair, it normally goes cold while I'm working because I forget about it because I get so engrossed in what I'm doing. But yeah, glue's normally in the other hand. Right, so the first thing I have is 2 pieces of acetate. And then I have these beautiful stamps. So this is obviously a birthday box. So we have some lovely sunflowers. I love sunflowers. They're just such a happy flower. We have champagne, we have a glass, a tie for your mail makes, bows. I'm guessing those are pearls. Got the cake and the cake slice. I'm not sure, that looks like a flag type thing. Birthday, surprise, occasion, so some nice sentiments here. And then we have some more flowers here. We have like a honeycomb design there. Yeah, so those are the stamps that are in there. And 2 random pieces of acetate. So let's just put those back for now. And now the next pocket. There are no mistakes in crafting, just happy accidents. It's pretty true. There's nothing you can't hide with an embellishment, a topper, a ribbon, a bow. It's fantastic. So we have these dies, and this is interesting. I'm not sure what this is going to be. It looks like it could be making a box maybe. And then we have this top bit here. We'll try cutting these sentiments out. I've got my big shot here and I've got some scrap card, so we'll do that in a second, but let's just see what else we have. We have some really gorgeous, and these are foiled toppers, but look how pretty these are. That one's slightly pink, so pink champagne, brilliant. I love pink champagne. You're a Star. We have the bottle. We have the twizzly type streamer things. I like those balloons, those are really cool. Do you only get one set? Let's have a little look. No, you get 2 sets in there. But they're the same by the look of them. Look. You see? But that's cool. That means you're not going to be worried to use them, because I don't know about anybody else, but when I get things that I like, I'm a bit hesitant to use them because I'm like, oh, but they will run out and then I won't have them. So at least having 2 sets, definitely going to use them. Right, before we go any further, let's bring the big shot in and let's just cut those sentiments out. I have some scrap card here. I like the way they've done this, look. It's all on sticky rather than joined together. I hate it when dies are joined together because I sometimes struggle to get them apart. So I much prefer them to be on sticky, as long as it doesn't like warp or bend the dies when I'm taking them apart. I don't mind them being all sticky. Right, let's grab these off. Yeah, those are coming off nice and easily. Yeah, much better way. There was only one box, I think, that I've had where they were joined together. Right, we'll just do the sentiments, I think. But I'm just going to use a smaller piece of scrap because I'm just mean. Just randomly put these on. Okay. Now I do know the next box, I've seen it announced, is going to be Card Making Magic. So we will see what that one's like. But that's not till next month. Right, these are done. So let's see. I haven't put my pokey tool down. That was a bit of an error, wasn't it? Okay, so that one clearly says party. Okay. Guessing that's a U. Looks like a U, doesn't it? I'm just going to grab my pokey tool. And this is my tool of choice. This is the first edition die release tool. It's absolutely fantastic. I've done this in another video, but that's the scoring end. And then flip that round. There's the sharp end. And obviously die release there. I love it. I won it. I was so lucky. I won it on a Want It Wednesday thing on Trimcraft blog. I love it. I use it all the time. Right, that one says you. So we have party, we have you. What else do we have? That one says time. They're going to go into focus. Time. Party time. Ah, I'm guessing this is 2. So time to party. Yeah. Okay, that one says chew. And I'm going to hazard a guess. This probably says celebrate or something very similar. Let's have a look. Yeah, celebrate. So it's a nice font, isn't it? I quite like those. Right, so those are the dies. Those are the sentiment dies that come with the box. Let's just pop them back on here. I'll clean them up later. But they're nice to have. You can always use those kind of dies. Can't remember where they came from. Right. Next bit. Okay, so throw kindness around like glitter. That's lovely, isn't it? I like that. I think the crafting community is very kind though. The people who I have interacted with so far in my crafting journey, they have been extremely kind. I've not met another community like this. People just want to help each other, and they're kind and they share and they do things without you asking them to. And I just think crafters are just the best people ever. I don't know, have you found something similar? Maybe let me know in comments. Right, we have this. I don't know if you can see. If I put it on there, can you see? Not well. I don't know how to make that sharp. It's basically, it's like acetate. And can you see there's like marks? It looks like it makes a box. I don't know whether it's a template for something, but we will see. I will investigate. There's always a book with these things, so I'll investigate the book and we will find out what that is together. But I am intrigued to find out what this does. Let's put it back in there for now. And now we have papers. I love papers. I'm terrible for papers. Right, let's see. So we have pretty stars. Okay, we have two. Oh, we have three of those. We have that one. Stripes. Kind of makes me think of a deck chair. It's probably not what they intended, but that's what it makes me think of. I like that. Look how pretty that is. That's funky. And we have three of those. And we have zigzags. And we have three of those. So we have a lot of papers. They feel like a good GSM. That is the good thing about these boxes. You do get quality papers with them. Okay. That's that done. Let's delve into the tissue paper. Ooh, I like this. It's like Christmas. Oh, I spy inks. Oh, look, pretties. Pretties. Okay, we have two inks. So that looks like a dark blue. And we have a red. We have some ribbon. We always seem to get ribbon. I don't use loads of ribbon, but I'm getting quite the stash of ribbon. So that's nice. Silky. Look how pretty. I like these. I can see me using these. Look how pretty. So we have large. Then they go down in size. They're kind of, can you see, they're pointy. I really like those. These ones aren't as pointy, I don't think. Look how pretty. I like it. Oh, and there's more up here. Let's open it and see. Yeah. Don't see. Look how tiny those ones are. Oh, I like these a lot. Those are awesome. Really liking those. Right, what does this card say? You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. I do get crafter's blocks sometimes, but okay, what's this? Adhesive guide. Oh, okay, that's a good one to have. We haven't got one like this. We've had card sizes, we've had mats and layers, we've had a swatch for the inks, and then we had, I think, card sizes again, which I was a bit disappointed with, but we've not had a guide to adhesives yet, so that's really handy. And I will put a punch through that and put it with the rest of my cards. Loving that. And coordinating card and acetate. Okay, well, my acetate was in the pouch, so let's get this off and we'll have a look at what card we have. It's not coming off easily and I don't want to rip it. There we go. Right, we have, oh, it's nice and thick. 2 red, 2 blue. Look at this yellow. Isn't that just gorgeous? I like that. That's such a happy colour. And it's been such a miserable day today. It's literally heaved it down. Like, really horribly. So I'm liking the happiness of this yellow card. And we have 2 white as well. So that's nice. And then here's the book. So that must be Ruth. Right, let me just see. I'm just going to flip it around to me. Let's just see if we can see what that acetate thingy was. There's normally a what's in the box type page somewhere. And there we go. What's in the box? So A. Okay, so that is, oh, pop-up box template. Awesome. Oh, do you know, I have never made a pop-up box and I've always wanted to have a go and I've just not been brave enough. And now we have a template. That is so cool. I'm so gonna make that really, oh yeah. But I will do a video. I'm going to try and do a video of me using these boxes because it was in my resolution and aspiration videos that I had to use my current stash, and I also had to use these Papercraft Society boxes. So I'll do a video when I do this pop-up box and we'll see how easy it is and how it turns out. So now don't be like expecting brilliant, amazing stuff because it'll be my first one. But we will give it a go. Awesome. Right, so that's it for this unboxing video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope you have loved the products. I believe you can still buy this box as a separate from Craft Stash. But don't hold me to that, but I'm sure I've seen that you can. Please, if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to my channel and ring the bell because then you'll be notified whenever I upload. I'll do a video very soon of this pop-up box because I'm so excited to see that. And I will be back again soon with more videos, crafty chats, and hopefully some inspiration for you all. So I hope you have a great week and I'll be back soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.